Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Chainlink tokens from your Arculus wallet to MetaMask in 2025. If you're holding Link and want to move it over for trading, staking, or just better access, this tutorial is perfect for you. It's quick, easy, and I'll walk you through every step to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need your Arculus wallet set up with some Chainlink, Link, tokens in it, and MetaMask installed on your device, whether that's a browser extension or the mobile app. Also, double-check that your wallets are connected to the right blockchain network, like Ethereum, since Link operates there. Alright. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app or platform and log in securely. Navigate to your asset dashboard and select your Chainlink tokens. You'll see an option to withdraw or send, click that. Step 2. Now, switch over to MetaMask. If you haven't already, create a new account or open your existing one. Go to the Assets tab and make sure your Ethereum network is selected. Copy your MetaMask wallet address by clicking the copy icon. Never type it out manually to avoid errors. Step 3. Back in Arculus, paste the MetaMask address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Link you want to withdraw, and review any transaction fees or gas estimates. In 2025, with improved blockchain tech, these fees should be more predictable, but always confirm them. Step 4. Hit the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Double-check everything before proceeding. Once approved, the transaction will process on the blockchain, which might take a few minutes depending on network congestion. And just like that, your Link should now be in your MetaMask wallet. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets like Arculus for security, and verify addresses to prevent scams. If you run into issues, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a like, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.